I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you a very interesting question on finding surface area of a rectangular pyramid. Find the surface area of a rectangular pyramid with 10 centimeter by 8 centimeter base and height of 6 centimeters. Now let's try to sketch this first and then we'll get into details. So I'll make a small sketch. So let's say this is the rectangle 10 by 8 and let me sketch the height portion with the help of a different ink. So let's say we will just make a thing like this, right? So let's say this is a point here which gets connected to all these points. Okay, so we get a rectangular pyramid. Now in this pyramid we have base of 10 centimeters by 8 centimeters and the height is given to us as 6 centimeters. So this height is 6 centimeters. Now as you can see, total surface area is area of the base. So first we need to find area of base, which is 8 times 10 or 80 centimeters square. That is one part. Now we need to find area of the triangle. So let me just name, let's say this point here is O and here we have A, B, C and D. Okay. So as you can see, two of the triangles have similar area. So the triangle OAB area is same as the triangle OCD. So let's find the area of these two triangles. So to find the area of these two triangles, what we need to find is the slant height, right? So let me sketch it separately. So what we know here is that in this particular triangle, let me just show it like this in 3 dimensions. So this is the height 6, and if I join the center with this point, in that case that becomes the slant height, right? So we need to find this slant height S. Now clearly it is 6 square plus half of 8, which is 4, right? So this is 6 and 4. So that the slant height S will be square root of 6 square plus 4 square. Right? So you can see this particular triangle which we have right there. So it is kind of like this, right? Where the sides are 4, 6 is the height, and we are trying to find this length S, right? So you can use the calculator to calculate this value. Square root of 6 square plus 4 square, which is equal to 2 square root 13. So we'll keep it as such for the time being. Okay. Now we have two of these, right? So area is how much? Now area of the triangle is half of base times height. Now since there are two triangles, we are talking about these two triangles, we have to multiply this by 2, right? So that means we are finding area of two triangles, both, right? These two triangles. So we are finding area of triangle OAB and triangle OCD. Is it okay? So that is what we're trying to find. So it is equal to, so 2 and 2 cancel, right? So base is 10 for us. So we get 10 times height is 2 square root 13. So we get 20 square root 13 as one of our areas. Right? We can round it later. Now let's find the area of the other two triangles. So the other two triangles slant height is kind of like this. Do you see that? And in this case, let me just sketch this once again clearly. So that becomes the triangle for us. It's a right triangle whose side height is 6 and this particular length is half of 10, which is 5. And we have to find this length L. So in this case, the length L, the slant length L is equals to square root of 6 square plus 5 square square root. Square root of 6 square plus 5 square, right? And that gives us square root of 61. So now the area of triangle, we can say area of triangle OBC plus area of triangle OAD. So these two triangles have same area. So their areas are same. So we get 2 times half. Base is 8, right? So half base, and square root 61 is the height of this triangle. Perfect. So that gives you the answer. So 2 and 2 cancel. We can do square root 61 times 8. That gives you 8 square root 61. Now let's convert them to decimals. So decimal value is approximately 62.48. Okay. Now for 20 square root 13, the value is 72.11. Correct. So we got the area of all the 4 triangles. So total surface area is how much? Is equal to 80 centimeters square plus 72.11 plus 62.48, right? So let's add them. So we have 72.11 already plus 62.48 plus 80, which is equal to 214.59 centimeters square. Now we can round it to 215 centimeters square to whole numbers. Is it okay? So that is how you can find surface area of a pyramid. So we just round it to a whole number. Depending on the question, you could round it to 10th place or whatever required. But anyway, I hope you get the concept. This is a rectangular pyramid. So you have to find area of the base, then area of the 4 triangles. In this case, area of 2 opposite triangles is same. So we have those areas calculated separately, right? And to find the area of each triangle, we have to find the slant height, where we use the Pythagorean theorem. Do you see that? So that is how it should be calculated. I hope the steps are absolutely clear. Feel free to write your comments and share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that would be great. Thanks for watching and all the best.